In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send JSON Body in Postman. If you're working with an API that accepts data, this is a fundamental skill, and we'll walk through it in a clear, simple way so you can follow along confidently. Start by opening Postman and either creating a new request tab or opening an existing one where you want to send data. When you're sending a JSON body, you'll typically use post, put, or patch. As a quick refresher, post is commonly used to create something new. Put replaces an existing resource, and patch updates part of a resource. Next, choose your HTTP method. Just to the left of the URL bar, there's a drop-down. Select the method that matches what the API expects: post, put, or patch. Picking the correct method matters because servers often behave differently depending on what you choose. Now, enter the API endpoint in the URL field. This is the address where you're sending the request, such as https example.com API users. Make sure the URL is correct and points to the right route, because even small typos can lead to confusing errors. With your method and URL ready, move down to the section below the URL and click the Body tab. This is where you tell Postman what data you want to send along with your request. Inside Body, select the option labeled Raw. Then, on the drop-down to the right of Raw, choose JSON, which appears as application/JSON. Postman will automatically set the content type header to application JSON for you, which tells the server to expect JSON data. You usually don't need to add that header manually once you've chosen JSON here. In the editor area, type or paste your JSON. A simple JSON object looks like key-value pairs wrapped in curly braces. For example, you might include a name field and an email field, each with values in quotes. Keep an eye on syntax. Keys and string values should be in double quotes, commas separate fields, and there should be no trailing comma after the last item. If your JSON isn't valid, the request may fail or the server may reject it. When your JSON looks good, click Send. Postman will send your request and show the response below, including the status code and any data returned by the server. If something doesn't work, review the method, URL, and JSON formatting. Some APIs also require authentication or additional headers, which you'd handle separately based on the API's documentation. That's it. You've sent a JSON body in Postman.